Southwest 4028, fly runway heading 36 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 36 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, count departure, so on.
Southwest 428.
Altimeter 29056, did you want the approach or the visual?
We're about to do visual, get it for
Tower Southwest 4028, we need to return to field, declare an emergency. Looks like we lost the right engine.
Sorry, Southwest 4028, you said you lost the right engine?
Affirmative.
Southwest 4028, your radar contact, fly heading 080.
Heading 080, Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, did you want to return immediately in the downwind?
Left turn check us, we'll get back to you.
Southwest 4028, when able, fly heading, Southwest 4028, which way are you going to go?
We're heading 080.
What's a good altitude for Southwest 4028?
Sorry, Southwest 4028, was that you?
Affirmative. We're going to stop at 4,000 if that works.
No problem. Southwest 4028, let me know when you can take a turn.
We're going to be in the right turn to 080 right now, and then if you can set us up for that downwind here in just a few minutes.
Southwest 4028, you can continue that turn heading 110 at your discretion.
110, we'll take that now, Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, when able, switch over to frequency 128.35, 2835.
12835, Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, when able, heading 170. Southwest 4028, do you know which runway you'd like?
We'll take the long one.
Southwest 4028, plan on runway 36 left and when able, heading 180.
180 enable, and we'll plan that Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, if you could, souls on board and fuel.
Stand by.
Southwest 4028, when able, flighting 170.
Heading 170, Southwest 428.
Southwest 4028, is it the left or the right engine?
Right engine.
Better. Southwest 4028, no need to respond, just let me know when you want to come back in, and if you need anything from me, just fly heading 180, maintain 4,000 until you're ready.
Southwest 4028, we're about 2 or 3 minutes from taking the turn back inbound.
Southwest 4028, ready.
Souls on board are 145, and we have 16,700 pounds of fuel.
Southwest 4028, roger. Southwest 4028, at your discretion, to set and maintain 2,000.
Our discretion, 2,000, Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, when able, fly heading 220.
Heading 220, Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, at your discretion, fly heading 320, join the local altimeter for runway 36 left, and advise the airport in sight.
Our discretion, we'll turn to 320 now. Airport is in sight for Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, clear to visual approach, runway 36 left.
Go to visual 36 left, Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, there'll be no need to change frequencies. The tower's going to come up on this frequency, and the trucks are standing by.
Awesome, thank you so much. Now for Southwest 4028, can we get 1360?
Southwest 4028, stand by for that. Southwest 4028, left 360 is approved.
Left 360, Southwest 4028.
Southwest 4028, runway 36 left, you cleared land. Southwest 4028, runway 36 left, cleared land.
36 left, cleared land, Southwest 4028.
Attention all emergency vehicles on frequency. Next aircraft to land on runway 36 left is the emergency aircraft.
Roger that tower. Next aircraft is
Army 138, just remain half mile east of the runway.
Half mile east, Army 20138. Roger, 20138.
Tower Southwest 4028 landing on 36 left.
Southwest 4028, affirmative, runway 36 left, clear to land.
36 left, clear to land, Southwest 4028. Tower from our command, show me 36 left close.
North command, runway 36 left closed. Southwest 3691 will be a few minutes of delay there. We got 20 miles in trail out going out on Lexi.
Southwest 4028 from our command. Hey, go ahead. You guys see any heat, fire, anything? Which engine is it? It's number 2 right side.